Alright, so this video is two parts. One, we're going to learn a couple rules, and then you're going to go back and look at the ones that you did from the previous task, and you will classify each of them. So after we do this, you will go to page 2, and you'll do 2, 3, 5, and 6, and tell what the transformation is that happened. You'll take a picture of that and send it to me. Okay, so that's what you'll do after this video. Okay, you're just putting this on a separate sheet of paper, or if you wanted to print out the packet, this is on page 1 in the packet if you did want to do that. So when you are adding with the x, so we're working with exponential functions all in this unit, so our x is always happen to be the exponent for this unit. If you add to the x, that actually shifts it left. So this is showing a shift left 2. So if you subtract to the x, that would shift it right 2. And it's wherever the x is occurring. So if it had been, like say, x squared, if we added in parentheses x plus 2, then all squared, that would also show a shift left. So it's just wherever the x is occurring. If you add to it, it shifts left. If you subtract to it, it shifts right. If you have a minus out in front, that's going to reflect over the x-axis. Adding something on the end will shift it up. So this is going to be a shift up 3. And then if we're subtracting at the end, that's a shift down. So we have shift down 4. If you have a number in front of your thing that's raised to a power, that's what the y's get multiplied. So this would multiply all the y's by 3. And then lastly, if you negate the x spot, that reflects over the y-axis. So basically out in front is a y spot. That's why having the 3 out in front multiplies y's by 3. So this minus in front negates the y's. And when you negate the y's, it makes it go top to bottom or bottom to top. That's why it reflects the x-axis. When you negate the x, it makes it go right to left, reflects over the y-axis. So whatever spot you negate, it reflects over the other axis. So you want to make sure you have this down. This is going to be a very handy little reference for basically the tasks we'll do for the next week or so. So this is going to be an important thing that we're going to want. So to finish off this task, got to go back to page 2, and for numbers 2, 3, 5, and 6, just classify what is the transformation that's taking place in each of those compared to the original 2 to the x graph. And then take a picture of that and upload it.